Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of a excellent shape iPhone 15 Pro Max open box. Here's a certified from Best Buy. And you see all that good stuff right there. This is the boxes they always seem to include with the iPhone stuff. Their other open box items, they don't have as nice of a look to them. Just kind of brown boxes. So we'll come back to the phone in just a second. A little bit of some paperwork there, and then a very cheap feeling cable. This is definitely not an Apple cable. This is a cheap cable. It's not the nice braided ones that you get from Apple, but it's kind of be expected. This was still, I think, $10.30 is what this cost me. Let's see. All right, give the phone a bit of a wipe down here. And it looks pretty good. I would say this definitely looks nice. Don't really see any scratches. Oh, nope. I don't know what that was. Yeah, don't really see any scratches. Major part would be these camera lenses, of course. And then just all around it. But nope, I don't really see anything wrong with it, which is very, very good. This is in great shape, I would say. It's a little bit weirdness going on down here, but you guys can't really see that. I think it's just a little bit dirty. All right, let's turn this on and see how it is. All right, guys, so we set it up using my other iPhone here, which took quite some time. That took probably over 20 minutes to do. With some updates and whatnot. Let's see what this battery health is at. Let's hope for something good. Oh, 93%. Ooh, guys, last time I bought one of these from them, it was at 100%. I am full of disappointment today from Best Buy's open box. This is to me not acceptable. This was $1,030. I literally could have bought one with more storage on it, double the storage on it, for like $100 cheaper from Amazon. But I don't really trust Amazon. Yeah, this is not. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of that. I don't think this is worth spending $10.30 on. I'm saving $170 off of the 16 Pro Max, which would be brand new. Yeah, I am disappointed all around today. That's 3 phones I bought open box from Best Buy today. And all have been disappointments in their own way. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.